We're going to move on to our next reflection activity. Now, I'm trying to also build in some little things that you can do with your students. Don't forget, when you look at your workbook, some of these activities you can take and do with your next class as well. And this next one is called compass points, right? And we're going to look at the compass points activity. And it's a really good reflection tool that we can use. Page 16 in your workbook, okay? You can literally see a little compass. And it's also page 15 as well, which has got the instructions. And we're going to be looking at the 4 points of our compass. And you can adapt this to your class, to your content really easily. So this is progress reflection number 2. So let's talk about compass points. There are 4 points of a compass, and the N, S, E, and W all can stand for different things in this reflection. And your questions that you're going to think about now are these on the screen. So the W stands for worries. The N stands for need. The E stands for excites. And the S stands for step. First of all, for this project, this action research project, what worries you about this? What's the downside? Is there anything that you're a little bit concerned about? Next question. What else do you need to know or find out? Is there something missing? Maybe you want to find out more or learn more so that you can do something else. So N for need. The third question, what excites you about what you have learned? What's the upside? So what's exciting so far? Maybe it's something to do with you're implementing the idea. Maybe it's the reaction of your students, whatever it might be. For that question, you're thinking about what you're excited about. And then the last question, what is your next step? Or what suggestions do you have? So where do you go from here? North, south, east, and west. What's your next step? So those are the 4 questions, and I put them also in a little table on the next one. Look at that. That's a bit fancy, isn't it? Look at it. There's our compass points. And you could do this with you could have 4 Post-it notes, and you write those 4 questions, and that's what you have to do as your reflection. This might be a nice way you build up some reflection with your students about a particular idea or a particular project. If you're doing a big project with your students, this is really a great way to check in with them about how they're feeling. And that's what we're doing now.